If you wake up tired, groggy, irritated, or feel like your brain just isn't working the way it should, then pay attention. Because this video is a complete masterclass on fixing your sleep naturally. I don't care what diet you follow, what supplements you take, or how much you exercise. None of it matters if your sleep is broken. Good sleep is the #1 foundation of health. We sleep to detoxify our brain, reset our hormones, and repair our entire body. And you've probably noticed that when you don't sleep well, your brain literally feels toxic. Today, I'll share exactly how to fix your sleep. From your diet to your environment to small habits that make a massive difference. Let's start with food. If you're eating refined sugar, junk food, or heavy snacks late at night, your gut stays inflamed and overloaded, making it harder to fall asleep. If you want better sleep, eat your meals earlier, ideally finish dinner by 4 or 5 p.m. And if you wake up at night to urinate, try intermittent fasting, cut snacks, and reduce carbs. Inflammatory foods like grains also disturb sleep. When you eat a lot of carbs, your body uses vitamin B1 to break them down. If B1 becomes low, your legs feel restless and energetic at night. Vitamin B1 calms nervous tension and helps you relax. One of the best foods for sleep is caffeine. It's loaded with probiotics that help your gut produce serotonin, which later converts into melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Even better is L-Reuteri. Yogurt, half a cup a day, can significantly improve deep sleep. You don't need to take it before bed. Just consume it any time during the day. Now, let's talk about your sleep environment. Temperature matters more than you think. If it's too hot, falling asleep becomes almost impossible. The ideal temperature is between 65 and 68 degrees. People with cold feet often sleep better by warming their socks. Adding a few plants to your bedroom boosts oxygen and creates a more calming environment. And most importantly, keep the room as dark as possible. Even a small amount of light can suppress melatonin. If your day is filled with screens, laptops, phones, TV, you're constantly exposed to blue light, which stimulates energy and keeps your brain awake. Morning sunlight naturally contains blue light to wake you up, but evenings should be filled with warm, red and infrared light that tell the body to wind down. Over 50% of sunlight is infrared, which boosts melatonin, vitamin D, and relaxation. Ever since we stopped going out in the sun, sleep disorders have increased dramatically. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy at first, but it destroys deep sleep. Caffeine from coffee, tea, or even chocolate can also keep you awake, because your liver needs time to detoxify it. Regular exercise is one of the best ways to improve sleep, especially deep sleep. Let's move to something people often ignore. Old injuries. If you've hurt your lower back or spine in the past, you might notice that certain positions feel uncomfortable at night. Stretching before bed relaxes your body and prepares you for sleep. A simple stretch is lying on your back, reaching your arms above your head and stretching your feet downward in the opposite direction. This resets the nervous system and melts tension. I personally use a device. I invented a plastic tool shaped like my hand to apply pressure along my mid-back until the muscles relax. I also place it under my skull on a tall chair to relax the brainstem. Another helpful technique is pressing upward under the rib cage to reduce bloating and abdominal tension. You may have noticed that sleep problems often come with tightness in the stomach area. This helps release that tension. Sleeping on your right side can also help. When you sleep on the left, congestion in the liver can push against the heart and cause discomfort. Breathing through your nose instead of your mouth is another powerful technique. Nose breathing increases oxygen, relaxes the body, and slows your heart rate. Slow inhale, slower exhale. Your body naturally shifts into a restful state. People often ask about meditation. While it's great for some, I believe the best way to reduce stress is to get out of your head. Hobbies like birdwatching, walking, painting, or woodworking pull you into the present moment and lower stress naturally. Next, sodium. Most people are scared of salt, but without enough sodium, your cortisol levels rise and sleep becomes difficult. The average person actually needs more than a teaspoon of sea salt a day. Add a pinch of sea salt to your morning water or coffee and you'll sleep better. Potassium is equally important. If you're low in potassium, your muscles stay tense, your heart rate increases, and sleep becomes restless. Potassium relaxes the body and calms the nervous system. Another thing I do every night is take magnesium glycinate powder about an hour before bed. Magnesium relaxes tight muscles, eases cramps, and helps the mind unwind. Mix it with warm water and add chamomile tea for extra relaxation. Sound also affects sleep. Complete silence is unnatural. That's why many people sleep better with gentle background noise. White noise machines or ambient nature sounds can stabilize your brain waves. Even binaural beats, slightly different sounds in each ear, can guide your brain into a sleep-friendly state. Essential oils can also help. Spikenard is deeply calming and acts like a natural sedative. Pair it with vetiver, which promotes deeper sleep. You don't need to ingest anything, simply inhale the scent or apply a little on your temples or chest. Fixing your sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. But if you wake up tired even after doing everything right, then you're missing something extremely important: salt. Most people have been told to fear salt, but the truth is quite different. This is Vitanic Bloom, and thank you so much for watching.